In this problem, we're asked to find the holes, vertical asymptotes, and intercepts of a given rational function. To find the holes in vertical asymptotes, we need to figure out where the function is not defined. So if it's a rational function, the only place where that function is not going to be defined is when we're going to be dividing by 0. So if you look at the denominator of this function, we have 2 times x minus 3 times 3x minus 1 equals 0 when x minus 3 equals 0, or when 3x minus 1 equals 0. So we get x equals 3, or x equals 1/3. Now the x equals 3 corresponds to a vertical asymptote. X equals 1/3 corresponds to a hole, and the reason we know it's a hole is because there's a common factor of 3x minus 1 in the top and the bottom of this fraction. So if you have a common factor, that means we have a hole. In fact, what it really means is that h of x is a much simpler function. It's the function x plus 2 times 2 times x minus 3. As long as we stay away from our hole. As long as we stay away from x being 1/3. So we would try to find the x and y intercepts. We could use this new definition instead. So x-intercepts occur when the function is equal to 0. So when h of x equals 0, here that would be when the top of the fraction, the numerator, is 0. So we get x equals negative 2. Y-intercept occurs when the x-coordinate is 0. So we plug in 0 in for x. We get 0 plus 2 over 2 times 0 minus 3. And so we get negative 1/3 for the y-intercept.